Hello everybody, today we have this small cute solar car. I already assembled it. It is very easy to assemble, so I will not make video for that. But we will take it out to try it, how it works on the sun. So let's go outside. Okay, so here we have the part with the shade and here with part with the sun. So as soon as we move it to the sun, as you can see, it will start moving. If we move it to the shade, it will stop. So let's try how it goes here. It is quite slow because it is pretty heavy. Let's see, can we stop it? You see? Oh, here is okay, here we have a little uphill, so it does not have enough power to go up, but we will help it here. And here we go. Up to the shade, and it will stop. Okay, that's it for today.